Does your car take forever to start in the morning? That slow crank? That scary delay? Ignore this, and one day, your car won't start at all. But don't worry. Today I'll show you the real causes and easy fixes that can save you from getting stranded. If your car struggles to start in the morning but works fine later, this video is for you. Let's break down the hidden problems and how you can fix them fast. Grab your coffee and let's get our hands a little dirty. I'll walk you through the most common causes, like weak batteries, thick oil, and sneaky fuel issues, plus the best DIY fixes. So, if you're tired of praying your car starts every morning, stick around. Let's get your engine roaring to life every single time. Let's kick things off with the number one troublemaker, a weak battery. If your car takes forever to start in the morning, your battery might be losing power overnight, especially in cold weather. Classic signs include dim headlights or a faint clicking noise instead of a solid crank. Check your battery voltage with a multimeter. A healthy battery should read at least 12.6 volts when the engine is off. Corroded or loose battery terminals can cause just as much trouble as an old battery, so clean and tighten them. If your battery is over 3 or 4 years old, consider replacing it, especially if you live in a region with extreme temperatures. Watch for anything draining the battery overnight, like interior lights or faulty switches. If you suspect a parasitic drain, a simple multimeter test can help pinpoint the issue. Don't ignore slow cranking. Get proactive before you end up stranded. After cleaning terminals, a dab of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease helps prevent future corrosion. Take care of your battery, and your car will thank you every single day. Now let's talk about engine oil viscosity, something many people overlook, but it's crucial for cold starts. When temperatures drop overnight, engine oil thickens up. This happens because oil molecules move slower in the cold, making the oil more resistant to flow. The thicker the oil, the harder it is for your starter motor to turn the engine over. If your engine cranks slowly or feels heavy to start but runs fine after warming up, thick oil is likely the culprit. This is especially common in older cars or vehicles using the wrong oil grade. Always use the oil grade recommended in your owner's manual. Multi-grade oils like 5W30 or 0W20 are designed to flow better in cold weather, making morning starts easier. Old, dirty oil thickens even more in the cold, so change your oil and filter regularly, especially before winter hits. Consider switching to synthetic oil. It flows much better at low temperatures and protects your engine during those tough cold starts. If you hear ticking or rattling noises at startup, your oil may not be circulating fast enough, another sign it's too thick. To help your oil flow, use an engine block heater or park your car in a garage overnight. Even covering your engine with an insulated blanket can help. Remember, thick oil makes your engine work harder and can lead to extra wear and tear. Use the right oil, change it regularly, and take steps to keep your engine warm. Your starter motor will thank you. Don't let thick oil be the reason your car struggles to start in the morning. Next up, fuel system issues. If your engine cranks for a long time before starting, or stumbles and idles rough at first, your fuel system might be struggling. Common causes include a weak fuel pump, dirty fuel injectors, or a slow leak in the fuel line that lets pressure drop overnight. Listen for a faint whining noise from the gas tank area when you turn the key, a sign the pump could be failing. Use a quality fuel injector cleaner every few thousand miles to keep injectors clear. If fuel pressure drops overnight, a mechanic can test it with a gauge, replace the regulator, or check for leaks if needed. Avoid letting your tank run low, especially in winter, to prevent condensation and water in the fuel lines. Change your fuel filter at the recommended interval to keep gas flowing freely. If your battery and oil check out, turn your attention to the fuel system. A little preventative maintenance goes a long way towards smooth, reliable starts. Now let's talk about spark plugs, the tiny parts with a massive job. Dirty, fouled, or worn spark plugs make your engine struggle to start, especially on cold mornings. Symptoms include rough idle, misfires, and even the smell of unburned fuel. If you haven't changed your spark plugs in a while, check and replace them if needed. A healthy plug is light tan or gray. Inspect spark plug wires and ignition coils for cracks or weak spots. Replace if necessary. Changing spark plugs is simple on most cars. Just use the correct type and gap. Don't over-tighten, and use a little dielectric grease on the boots to prevent future problems. Coil-on-plug ignition systems can also fail. Scan for misfire codes with an OBD2 scanner. Replace plugs according to your car's maintenance schedule, or sooner if you notice symptoms. Keeping your ignition system in top shape ensures quick, reliable starts every morning. Let's talk about the starter motor, the electric motor that spins your engine to get it going. If you hear a single click or rapid clicks when you turn the key, but the engine barely turns, your starter motor may be failing. Starter motors usually fail gradually, first in the morning, then anytime, until one day, nothing happens. Sometimes tapping the starter can get it working one last time, but that's just a temporary fix. Listen for grinding, whirring, or metallic clunks. These mean the starter gears are wearing out. Check the starter with a voltage drop test or have it checked at an auto parts store. Always disconnect the battery before replacing the starter. Don't forget to check the starter relay and wiring for corrosion or loose connections. If you're getting slow or no cranking even with a good battery, focus on the starter motor. Fix it now to avoid getting stranded. Finally, let's talk about sensors. Modern cars rely on them for cold starts. If a key sensor, like the coolant temperature sensor, fails, your computer won't know it's a cold start and won't inject extra fuel. Symptoms include long cranking or rough running at first, then smoothing out. Most modern cars will throw a check engine light if these sensors fail. Scan for codes with an OBD2 scanner. Replace faulty sensors or clean connectors with electronic cleaner if dirty. Check wiring and connectors for corrosion or looseness. Don't let a bad sensor keep your car from starting reliably.